We are a company that makes air rifles, precision rifle, accessories for competing in airgun competitions, sport shooting and even hunting in some countries. FX Airguns was created in 1999 by my father, who was looking for a product that wasn't really out there. The product that was available was very, very clunky and very, very bad. So he was able to improve on such products very easily. And from there he's created the base of what is FX Airguns today. 1999 we did about 10 to 20 guns a month. And since then we've grown tremendously. Here at FX Airguns we do everything we can in-house. So almost everything from the simplest part to the most advanced parts are made in-house. So we're able to do new prototypes very swiftly, keeping down the development cost and making certain we are quick from start to finish, making certain that the products that we sell are very high value for the end user. And we're able to do all of this due to the fact that we've changed our business software to monitor. We're able to increase the productivity by every single employee. We're able to reduce questions needed to be asked. We're able to streamline production in such a big way. It's been huge for us. We've been able to adapt monitor to fit us perfectly, and we've also been able to adapt ourselves to fit monitors better as well. I would say that our quality control is a lot higher now due to the fact that we have such a high traceability in monitor. I would say the monitor is one of our most important employees, and it's the only employee that grows with responsibility the more people we employ. So the bigger we become, the more important monitor becomes. We at FX Airguns Groups are a total of 4 companies, where 3 of them uses monitors so far. We're looking to add the 4th company as well, as soon as we can. We produce about 3,000 to 4,000 guns each month, and we don't have anything on inventory ever. So this requires us to be very on our feet regarding inventory levels on parts and such things, to make certain that we are able to meet demands and meet delivery times. I have the tools that I need to be able to double check and triple check of what we're doing and what we're making money on. At FX Airguns we strive to deliver the product that the customer needs. With monitor we're able to keep our stock levels low, but also be flexible enough to meet the demands of the customers.